What's happening, ladies and gents? I hope you're doing really well. Frankie here. Today we are talking about Idex, and is it an undervalued stock still, even at 550 before market? Who knows? Who knows? I still think it is. I am going to be buying more shares. I think we're in a hype zone now, to be honest, because the news that I do have isn't really crazy about them. Just a small investment Idex have made over the last few days, and you know, it's not enough to drive a stock price, and it's been out for a while, like 4 or 5 days, meaning the stock price is kind of doing its own thing without the news itself. So we're going to go into that. Before I do carry on, remember, it's not financial advice. This is a place of discussion, so do your own due diligence. You know, don't blame me if it goes up or down. That's all on you. But let's get into it. Before we go any further, stock price is currently $5.29. Before market, it looks like it's $5.50, which is incredible, I may add. And I was trying to wonder, like, look into why is it doing that? What has happened? So I couldn't find anything on like any of the news sites, even on their personal websites, like no press releases, no news out there. The only thing I thought I could do is go over to their Twitter and see if they've been active on there. The only thing I saw was this one, which is Idex recent investment in Silk EV. And I was like, hold on a minute. When was this? And I did not know anything about it. So then I had a little look at what Silk EV is, and just this guy here, Brian Howerton, then read his tweet. I have looked into the little bit he posted, like the sort of SEC filing, and yeah, to back it up, he's right. Entered into a convertible promissory note with Silk EV Cayman LP. Idex invested 15 mil, and the note will acquire a 6% interest, due to be obviously paid back in a year. Simple as that. And even though it says 15 mil, I do believe it's their currency, not US currency. You have to correct me if I'm wrong on that one. I'm not too sure. But Silk EV are doing this. Now engineering a design startup called Silk EV, headquartered in Italy's venerable Motor Valley, is more than just another attempt to making an electric hypercar. So it pretty much is a hypercar. This has been out for 4 days, so I would say it's probably not what is driving the stock price the way it is. So let's go into the stock price now. So like I said, we're currently sitting at $5.29 over in the top right hand corner there. If we look at a couple of our indicators, let's have a look at the RSI first. Currently we are in overbought territory, and this is on a, let me have a little double check, this is on a 4-hour chart. So you know, we've been overbought for a while, so I probably wouldn't be selling, because you know, if we're overbought here, we're also overbought here. What's the price on this point? About 350 compared to 5. So if you're going by overbought, oversold, you're probably going to lose a nice bit of money, which you know, we don't want to do. If we then have a look at the MACD, blue line above yellow, indicating we're still in an upwards trend. Again, anything can happen because we're currently before market opens, and a lot of fluctuation tends to happen. If we look at the super trend is this one, the green line here. We are in green on the 4-hour chart. No signs of red just yet. And then the Bollinger chart, which is the purple one and the blue one here. We are, you know, we're hugging the purple, which indicates its upward trend as well. Do I think we're going to carry over into an upward trend? I do. I think we're on hype momentum at the moment, because there's been no official sort of news being released, anything of significant note. Then I would assume we are going to go up by hype alone, and people not wanting to miss out. What's the pullback? Where's it going to come? Who knows? I really haven't got a foggiest clue, to be honest. I am going to probably pick up some more shares if we dive a little bit, you know, maybe to this original price, because I think we're going to be chasing 6 today. So I want to pick up potentially around $5.20 to $5 some more shares. I don't mind doing that, because the long-term benefit is in a couple of years' time, we're sitting around the 20 to 30 mark. That could be achieved a lot closer, which a lot of people do believe is going to happen. I'm always very conservative in my price targets. You know, if we then compare them to competitors in the EV industry, who a lot of them at the moment are sitting around the 20 mark, then you know, it's maybe not so hard to believe that we could get there in a quicker time. So you know, bear that in mind. I will be adding some shares. I do love the company. I love what they're going to be doing. I love how they're sort of split into these avenues. It worries me, but I love it at the same time, because you don't want, you don't want to oversaturate what you're doing and therefore maybe not put so much effort into one thing over the other. That's my only worry, but I feel like they've got it covered. So I'm always going to play the game of, if I'm going to pick up some shares, what are my purposes? So am I going to be doing it for a swing trade, which is just to get in and get out on a profit, hopefully, or am I doing it for a long term? My Ideonomics play is long term, so I am looking in the future for that eventual $20 to $30 range. If they back up everything they say they're going to do. If you're going to swing trade Ideonomics, I'm looking for, I'm probably looking for entry points ASAP if I was going to do it, because you're probably going to go up to then come down. That's normally how these hype things work, don't they? Any sort of fucking pump is normally coming back down eventually. It's just at what point, how excited are people about the Ideonomics stock, how excited are people about a once penny stock, because obviously not now. People get mental. I'm the same. If I see the stock smashing upwards, I'm a bit like, maybe I should get more, but then sometimes you just got to really think about it. It will calm down. It's just, where are we going to level off? And I'm not too sure. So that's why you've got to do your own due diligence, really. Again, I am going to be trying to pick up some more shares today. If we hit sort of where we are now to maybe a $5 range. So that's my game. You do what you got to do. Remember, it's your money. I'm not giving you any advice. I'm just saying what my plans are with them. And that's it. That's another Ideonomics video. Let me know what you're going to be doing with them. If you've got shares in the company, what you think about them long term, short term. If you're bullish, bearish, let me know. Let me know. If there's any other companies that are similar to Ideonomics and that you've got on play and whatever, let me know. I'm free to speak in the comments. I'll always respond. And yeah, I'll see you in another video.